It's a series now at this point.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? How y'all doing? I haven't asked you guys how you're doing in such a long time because the videos have just been really quick. Welcome back to another week in my hair, and this time the real Dandara, the real big boss. Who else? The real top shotter, the real hair growth routine. I finally have time to do it, and we're going to do a week in my hair. But to be honest, this one will be more than a week, so you guys will see the easy maintenance of this particular hair growth hairstyle. It just takes a little longer than the others, and I have to have time to sit down and do this, and I don't have that much time, to be honest. It's 1:33 and I have to leave the house 3:30, and I have something else to do after that for 5. This is a continuation as well from my previous video, so make sure you go watch that if you haven't as yet. And I put my hair into these braids so we can make the process go a lot faster, and we gave the leave-in conditioner some time to saturate into my hair, and we also braided my hair up to give me some stretch. See that? I'm not gonna do these too big or not too small either, so I parted, detangled. The back section can be a little bit smaller than usual. I'm gonna be using my fave. You already know what it is. I haven't used this one in a while because I've been using the castor oil one, just to give each of them a fair chance, you know. I applied the grease, detangled a little bit, and now we're going to braid. That's all I'm going to be doing, guys. And you guys have seen me braid my hair a million times, but I'm just gonna show you a few, and then the week in my hair will continue. Today is Sunday, by the way, so in order for me to do this routine, I have to start pretty early on a Sunday. I actually didn't finish filming before 3:30, but I'm doing the finishing touches right now, which is to put gel around the ends because I don't twist all the way to the ends. And guys, I wasn't supposed to do mini twists. Not mini twists. I wasn't supposed to do mini braids. These are looking very much mini to me. This was not intentional. But I just kept going with the flow. I have been trimming the ends also because some of these ends though. But until then, I'm just wrapping my ends around my fingers with some gel. These are done, so let me do this and come back to show you guys what it looks like at the end. This is what we got. This was not intentional. They weren't supposed to be so mini. I missed a couple of strands here and there, but we have some mini braids. The goal was to do braids, like medium-sized braids, but yeah, we got some mini braids. I like to rock my braids in a ponytail. I'm looking, you know what I'm looking for. I have this ponytail holder. I want the tighter holding one. Had to get another one. I'm rushing because I still have to be prepared to leave the house any minute now. The rain has died down. Anyway, we're going to put in a ponytail because this is how I usually rock it. I'm gonna wrap this around twice. And we are done. I'm not gonna do anything to the edges right now because it's Sunday. I don't got nowhere to go. Well, I have somewhere to go, but my edges look good for now. We are done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Wait, we're not done with this video, girl. Oop. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. Didn't talk to you guys yesterday on Monday because just like today, I didn't do anything to my hair at all. Didn't do anything to my edges, nothing. I've just been covering my hair at night and waking up and going out the door. This is why this is one of my favorite hairstyles, because I really don't have to do anything. Perhaps tomorrow I'm gonna moisturize the ends, and that's about it. But no edge control, nada, nothing. Besides the ends looking dry, that's about it. So I just made it to work. I'm just gonna grab my stuff and start walking up the hill. Oh, and on certain days I do wear a visor. If I'm wearing my buns or a ponytail, I would wear my visor hat. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I just got wet from the rain, so my hair is a little bit damp. That's okay because today we're going to refresh. I still haven't done anything to my edges. To refresh my hair, I'm using a curl refresher spray, and that's only because I didn't have enough time to refill my spray bottle with water. I sprayed the curl refresher on my hair, mostly focusing on my ends, and then put some grease on my ends and twirl them around my fingers. That's all I did, well, and I also put some grease on the length of my hair, not much, and I put my hair back into a mid ponytail, and I didn't do anything to my edges on that day either. It still looked good to me. Hey, what's up? It's been a couple of days, and during those days I didn't do anything to my hair. Absolutely nothing. So today is Sunday. I'm about to wash my hair while they're in these braids. I've just been rocking my hair in a bun or the ponytail. That's why braids with my natural hair is one of my favorite protective styles. It's just that I don't usually do them this small. So I'm going to wash my hair in the braids. You guys know this routine. I've posted a video on YouTube already about this routine. Basically, I follow my quick wash day routine, but it's just that my hair is in braids. Okay, let's go. Just came out the shower and washed my braids. I'm not gonna style them right now, but I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner on. Oh shit, is it put on or put in? Either or. Some leave-in conditioner just so my hair won't dry out until I style it or restyle it. I'm going to make them bigger, so I'm gonna actually unravel and rebraid into bigger sections or bigger plaits. But I don't know, my hair is looking like I can just redo the front, but we'll see, you know, just in case. I'm just gonna see how my hair looks. But for now, I'm going to just put on some leave-in conditioner. As I said, I actually have to edit a video to post today. I'm gonna work on that video, but before that, I'm gonna eat. I'm the type that does my hair in steps, but the braids are looking good. Let me stand up so you guys can see how long they are or where they go to. I'm just gonna put my hair into a high bun, wrap the ponytail hole around twice, put it almost halfway through, twist the ends, and tuck under. So I put it in a bun to stretch it out as well, so when I'm going to style, my curls aren't curling on each other, you know. I have an idea of what I want to do, but we'll see as time goes on, because I have somewhere to go at 5:30 as well, and if I'm not finished with editing the video, anyway, you'll see. So see you soon or later, I don't know, whenever. Just see you, we'll see you whenever. Good morning, guys. It's Monday, and I obviously did not do what I said I was going to do with my hair. My hair is still wrapped up like the last time you saw it, and it's 7:49, and we have to do something about this. It doesn't look that bad. Let's see what it really looks like. My hair is still damp. Hair is moisturized though. What am I going to do today? I think I'm gonna put some grease mostly on the ends, and I'm going to redo the front. Yeah, I actually think I can leave these braids in like this for a whole week. Okay, and maybe I might make them bigger next week. I don't know. I'm using the castor oil Blue Magic, put the grease on the ends and drag it up a little bit. And now we're going to redo the edges. So I put the hair at the back away. We missed this one. We're gonna put these away so they won't get into the way. So I'm thinking if I should just put edge control on the edges instead of unraveling them. But I know my hair, if I want this to last longer, I'm going to have to unravel, then put edge control. This may take a little bit of time that I don't have. But let's see. Yeah, I really don't have that much time to do that. I'll at least start, and I can just wear a headband if I'm not finished in a decent time, and just continue to do them as the days go on and refresh any if I need to. Okay, seems like it can work. I'm gonna unravel, and I have to take my time and unravel because my hair will knot up. Yep, we have a knot. Okay, that's out. My hair's unraveled. I'm gonna apply some more grease, especially on the edges. And guys, if you've been watching my week in my hair videos, I was telling you about an edge control that one of my students recommended. So it's the red one. I don't know if you guys have heard about this before. Smells like Kool-Aid, a red Kool-Aid. Have a little bit on my hands. I'm gonna put that on my edges. It's already 7:54. I do need to make breakfast. That's not gonna take me long either, but I'm trying to leave the house before 7:35. Okay, I finished all because I know during the week I won't be able to just revisit to do them. This is this side, that side, and of course we're gonna put this back into a ponytail. I'm gonna tie a scarf around the edges to set it, and I'm probably going to leave this on under my hat, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when I take the scarf off. So anyway, I gotta continue getting ready for work. I'm practically dressed. So anytime you guys see me do these videos, I'm dressed, you know. I just have to finish my hair and go out the door. But today we have to make breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm gonna do something really quick. But anyway, see you guys when I get in the car. Okay, made it to work. Let's take this off real quick. Me looking fresh. And all I did was the edges. So, ooh. I just wanted to show you guys what we got going on. Okay. Okay, so didn't work out that bad. Didn't work out to be that bad. Didn't work out to be that bad. Okay, y'all, I'm hella late, but well, we have assembly, so that's why I played with time like that. Let's get out the car. I did get a chance to eat some breakfast. Well, I'm still eating. Have some strawberries. Okay, let's get out the car for real. Oh, where's my mask? Yeah, so see you guys. So today's Thursday, and since the last time I appeared on camera, I haven't done anything to my hair, which isn't a bad thing. My hair is still pretty much moisturized. It's only that my ends have been dry. Not too dry, but they can be a lot more moisturized. But I have been keeping it wrapped in this bun, and depends on if I were to go to bed, I would loosen it so it's not too tight. You guys know my job. I wear a hat most of the time, and I haven't done anything to my edges either since the last time I refreshed my edges. So everything has been good in the hood, and sometimes I do wear it in a high bun, but that's if I'm doing stuff around the house or whatever, like a ballerina bun. I'm here drinking some coffee, my hair growth coffee. One of you did ask me if I still drink my concoction. I do. So let me post some clips of the ingredients. I have been drinking this ever since I introduced the supplements that I take to you guys. It'll be almost 3 years since I've been doing this. I've been mostly drinking the coffee though. I haven't really been drinking the tea. That's because I need to order a big batch of peppermint tea. That's the hold up. But anyway, I'm gonna refresh my ends today. What time is it? So as you can see, my hair is still moisturized and shiny. Like, we good, you know, we real good. It's just the ends, and that's expected. But as I said, I have been keeping them mostly wrapped for the most part and stretched out. I'm gonna use the curl refresher. I want to make this process go a lot faster. I was gonna do it in sections, but I feel like driving slow today at work. But I'm still mostly trying to focus on my ends. And then I can use any grease. I'm gonna use the first one that I see, and I have the Indian hemp one. This jar is almost done. That's to tell how much I use it. Do I have another one? I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna put that on the ends. I'm gonna wrap it up anyway. So this style works the best for me because, as I told you guys, I haven't done anything to my hair, and it hasn't been in my morning routine either. I just might redo the bun or something, but that's about it, and that takes less than a minute or so. So on my weeks where I'm busy, and I am getting busier by the month, you know, styles like these work out best, right? So for me, it'll be making the time to do my hair like this. And probably next time, I still don't want to do them as small as they are right now, but I think that ended up saving me. But I do like to wash my hair once a week or each week, but I guess I can just wash them in the braids. But I guess it just depends, you know, because next wash day I'm probably just gonna make these bigger and wash my hair in the braids, but we'll see, you know. Ends are moisturized again. I'm gonna do the other side. So this is where I really put emphasis on your hair routine should revolve around your lifestyle. You guys see that I have a busy lifestyle. You see the environments of my lifestyle, my work life especially. Okay, so hair is moisturized, well, ends. Let me show you guys. They're curling back up, so that's one of the ways I know for my hair that my hair is moisturized, when my hair looks hydrated and they start to curl up again. So guys, remember I only refreshed the front, so my hair still looks good, surprisingly. I don't know, maybe I can go another week by just refreshing the front again. I'll see what my hair looks like. I'm going to put it a little lower because of my hat. So I wrap it around once, and then for the second time, I don't wrap it around fully. I do halfway about, and I wrap, twist and wrap and tuck my ends under. I also don't feel like doing anything to my edges. Maybe tomorrow. But I have a long day today. See you guys tomorrow or whenever. I'm gonna continue this. Maybe I can go up to a month so you guys can see. This will be interesting. Hi guys. So it's Monday. The Monday in the 3rd week. I know I lied a lot. I know I told you guys I would have refreshed the front again, and maybe the row after. Is it before? It's before the front, but I did not. I mostly had my hair in the hat. Oh, and yesterday was it yesterday? I did wash my hair with the braids, so my hair is holding up pretty good, you know. I washed my hair and I put in some leave-in conditioner, so now it's actually time to moisturize. But today's a holiday, so I just did not go to work. My braids don't look that bad, but I'm going to do what I actually was supposed to do or said I was going to do. My hair held up pretty well, so I didn't have to do it. So I'm gonna unravel and make my braids bigger, but my hair does not look too bad. For instance, I can turn these braids into one. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm going to respritz. You know what, let me show you guys. I'm gonna respritz as well with some water and add some grease. I did not have to do my hair for a long time. Well, not do it, but I didn't have to. The focus of my week wasn't really on my hair, you know? I love weeks like that. Things can get very hectic for me, and sometimes my hair isn't something that I want to put my focus in, but at the same time I do want to look presentable, you know? So there are certain styles that I know that I can do where the maintenance and upkeep isn't update, and braids is one of them. It's just they take a while to do. So this is self-explanatory. I'll show you guys what I do, so just follow along. First, I'm gonna clear my hair by finger detangling, and I know for sure I'm gonna have a lot of shed hair. Ooh, and this feels so good on my scalp as I pull them out. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, we're gonna spritz with water, not too much. Add the grease, start on the ends, work that into my hair, detangle, more grease, and braid. So now we're going to do the actual jumbo braids this time that I was supposed to do in the beginning, but I'm glad I actually did them small because they lasted longer. I was able to rock them for 2 weeks by just redoing the front, and now we can do another 2 weeks with them being this size by me just washing my hair again with the braids while the braids are in, so I can continue doing that routine for as long as I like until I feel like I need a proper wash, because my hair is not thoroughly clean because I wash them with the braids in, but it's clean enough. This is the time where I go in and dust my ends as well, but I don't know, I'm gonna cut off a little bit and we are done with this one. You guys got it? Yeah, that's all we're going to do. I'm gonna watch some Netflix or something so this process can go by a lot faster, because I do have somewhere to go this afternoon. Hey, good morning guys, it's the next day. I was supposed to show you guys what my hair would have looked like when I finished them. You know how it goes, it got dark and it got late. I can't do this in peace because you're hearing footsteps behind me right now. They're like, Miss Simmons is vlogging. They want their break, so I'm just not teaching the people that I'm training and filming. So yeah, this is what we got. I have it tucked under in a bun. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Good morning guys. So today is Thursday, and you guys saw when I did my hair, I think it was Monday, I did my hair into bigger plaits. Today was the first time I actually did something to my edges for this week, and it's Thursday. Probably not gonna do anything tomorrow with my hair, or I'm probably gonna wash my hair this weekend. I don't know. I need a nice deep conditioner. The ending of this week will be 3 weeks, and I really didn't have to do anything to my hair. But anyway guys, I'm gonna get some gas and head to work. Hey, so it's Saturday. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow and we're gonna take down the braids. I would have left them in longer, but I have content to do for a brand. Yeah, I have to do something different to my hair. I'm gonna take down the braids and show you guys that my hair is still moisturized. If I were to go another week, I would have just probably redone the edges and I would have gotten to week 4, and I can probably stretch this out until week 6. But won't be doing that. We're gonna take these braids down. This style is super convenient for me. My braids are very much still moisturized. It's so sad we gotta take them down. So you can still see the shine in my braid. My ends are still moisturized as well. You know the vibes. Okay, I need to stop saying that. And I can probably get a pop-in braid out for real though, but I'm not going anywhere. Look at the first braid. Oh, y'all. You see the moisture and the definition? You see it. So we're gonna do the rest. I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm done unraveling, and it's so sad that I have a choice. As I said, nowhere to go. But it's sad that I won't get to wear this as a nice braid out. I didn't style it or anything. I didn't even fluff much. But this could have been styled for a nice little braid out. Not little, big energy. But anyway guys, I'm just gonna put it up into a high bun. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. But look at this. My hair is pretty much still moisturized. Capitals, all capitals, exclamation marks. Even the high bun looks cute. Yes, bun. I need to put that on a shirt. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have enjoyed the series, because this is video 3 from the series. It's a series now at this point, so let's continue it. I'll do it for different styles. Okay, will I? You'll just have to stay tuned to my channel to see. See you later. Bye.